because we talk shit almost every time we get drunk, and our spouses hate it. They hate because it's always some random ass shit where I'm like, I'll say something like regular, and then it'll get hey, bitch.
Hey, 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 you can't be hearing a random woman's voice coming on, and the first thing you say is,
You know the hilarious thing? It updated recently. It was supposed to be a man's voice.
oh, was it?
Yeah, I specifically changed it in my room for that reason. So where I had some English dude's voice where I call him a bitch all the time. First of all, at what?
This is a reminder.
Back up, stop.
Speaking of that,
I know I changed it back. I don't know why it's coming up in her voice. I changed it back. I'm so upset. Now I feel like I just need to like say something just to confirm it's a male.
try, you do.
Let me see. Echo, what's the weather for tomorrow?
Here's the forecast for tomorrow at Mecca. Look for lots of sun with a high of 95 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 61 degrees.
I told you. I
What?
told you.
How does that happen?
I don't know. Hey, all right, we're done with you. That's enough. He's like, I'm not sure. I don't know. Somehow heard me respond. It was like, I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm gonna need some more information on it.
But bro, I told you, I'm not just out here on misogyny like that.
Dude,
I yell at men.
Well, why? So why did it go? Why did it switch? Like right there.
I have no idea. And I'm wondering if it's just like a part of the general reminder system that that like it's a
sure.
just a plain setup as opposed to my everyday thing.
Yeah. Or Amazon's out here gaslighting people too.
Bro, it's
Like,
trying to get you boy caught up. Like, let me get successful first. I know I
You
talked
might be
some
going
shit,
insane.
but chill out. I said some things. I've called that man out of his name maybe too many times.